In this video, I'll show you how to add a photo on top of your video in CapCut. If your video is already on the timeline, go to the Media tab and click Import to bring in the photo you want to use. Once it appears in your media library, drag and drop the photo onto the timeline. Make sure to place it on a track above your video. Now the image is overlaid on the video. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners and move it anywhere on the screen. To make it look better, go to the Video tab and adjust the opacity, rotation, or add a shadow or border if needed. If you want to animate it, select the photo, then go to the Animation tab at the top. Choose In for entrance animations, like fade in or slide in. Click on the one you like, and use the duration slider to control how fast or slow it animates in. You can also go to the Out tab if you want the photo to fade out or slide away at the end. And that's it. Your image is now overlaid and animated smoothly on your video. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more fast CapCut tutorials. See you in the next one.